Bamboo steamers have been used for thousands of years, and with good reason. They work with a wide variety of foods, they're relatively inexpensive, and they're made from bamboo, which is a sustainable resource. And today Adam's going to show us what to look for when buying a new one.
These are super useful. If you've gone to dim sum, you have seen these deployed by the squadron because they're used for dumplings, they're used for those bao buns. They come in a lot of different sizes. We chose a lineup of 5 here. They're in a 10-inch round size, which is compatible with, say, a 12-inch skillet like we have here, or a 14-inch wok. Put a little water on the bottom, the steamer goes on top, the steam rises. They come in tiers. We have some that have 2 tiers, like that one down on the end, or say this one has 2 tiers, and then that one in front of you has 3 tiers. Also, one thing that we really like about these is you can see the bottom is flat. So if you're cooking something delicate that could get bent or broken in the curved interior of a collapsible metal steamer, like fish fillets, these work really well. They're a natural material and they do pick up odors, so you always line the tiers. I have some parchment liners here. Why don't you throw one in?
I've actually never bought these. I didn't know they made these. I've been making them myself with parchment and a pair of scissors. This is a cool product.
I'm going to gift you a pack of these. You know, a lot of people will use cabbage leaves or lettuce leaves also. So we tested these with dumplings and bao, those filled buns, in 2 tiers for the dumplings, 3 if we could, bao in 1 tier. Cleaning was a very important part of the testing because this is a natural material. They absorb those odors. So you do want to clean them out. You want to dry it carefully and then separate the tiers so that they air dry more, and that should help you avoid cracking and mold and getting it all misshapen and out of alignment. In the testing, these all were pretty comparable in terms of their steaming performance. A little less comparable in terms of structural integrity.
Interesting.
And by that, I mean this. If it wasn't well made, some of these began to sort of lose their alignment. They didn't fit together quite as well. It didn't affect the steaming performance, it just made them a little irritating to use. The ones that stayed in alignment better were the ones down in front of you. You can see they have those metal bands that really help them retain their shape. Another structural issue arose. Again, I'll show you this one. You can see that the inside is made up of slats, and in this case, they're tied together with bamboo threads. Over the course of the testing, some of these threads began to fray. And you know, we thought that they would end up trashed after a couple of years. That one in front of you, look at those nice thick wooden slats. And they're glued together. Again, much better structural integrity there. So those 2 are our winners. The one down at the very end, that is the Juvail 10-inch bamboo steamer with steel rings, $24, 2 tiers, worked beautifully, stayed well aligned through the whole thing. If you're steaming for a crowd and you want an extra tier, we have a 3-tiered winner, and that's the H Cooker 3-tier kitchen bamboo steamer with stainless steel banding, and that one is $43.
So there you have it. If you're in the market for a new bamboo steamer, check out the Juvail 10-inch bamboo steamer with steel rings. Or if you're steaming for a crowd, check out the H Cooker 3-tier kitchen bamboo steamer with stainless steel banding.
At Cooks Illustrated, we're food nerds. That's why every recipe we develop involves research, cooking science, and rigorous testing by our team of expert test cooks before being tested by our dedicated community of 40,000 home cooks. Only the highest rated recipes earn a place in our award-winning magazine. Every issue features our latest recipes and discoveries, cooking tips, and equipment and ingredient reviews. Our step-by-step photos and hand-drawn illustrations show you exactly how to succeed. What you won't see, even a single page of advertising. We've worked for home cooks like you for over 30 years. So, are you ready to become the best cook you know? Subscribe to Cooks Illustrated magazine at cooksillustrated.com today.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.